Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Tele from Incredibox Sprunki. First we're going to get started with the phone on the top. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line over and then down on the right. On the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. From here now, we're going to curve this line over and across on a diagonal. Now from here on the outside, we're going to curve this line back up towards the top. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line across. For the shape of the head, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches in on both sides. And then coming underneath on both sides, we're just going to arch this line back in towards the middle, closing off that circle for the head. Now from here, for the eyes, we're going to draw in a nice big circle on both sides. And we're just going to line that up at the same height and replicate this on the left. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. And then moving underneath, we're going to draw in a half circle. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across in the middle. And then for the eyebrows on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Now for the telephone string, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out and then back in. We're going to draw in a small curved line. And then on the top, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Now on the inside, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up on the side. And then we're going to do the same on the left, arching this line all the way around and then back in. Now as we come down this chord, we're just going to draw in a curved line following the same direction. And we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come all the way around towards the side of our face. Now for the torso, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to draw in a straight line on the bottom. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. Now moving down on the right, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Connecting this together again, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a circle in the center. We'll move down, replicating that on the bottom. We'll move across on a diagonal, drawing in another circle. Moving up on a diagonal on the left, drawing in another circle. And then we'll come across on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Tele from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.